everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today, for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to change language in Chat GPT. So for that, first of all, open a Google browser in your PC and then click open new tab. There on the search bar, you type chat.openai.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official page where you will need to get logged in first. But as we are already logged in, once you are logged in, you will be at this page on screen. Now, once you're at this page, you can see there's no setting option to make any changes in Chat GPT. But there is a way how you can change your language. For that, all you have to do is right-click on your mouse and then click on Translate to English. You click that, it will give you this option, the Google Translate. Then you click on the dotted lines over here and click on Choose Another Language. Here you click on drop down menu of here, and from here you will be able to choose any other language that you want. So from all the options, I'm just gonna choose a random one and then click on translate. Now you can see the language has been changed over here. Now you can make the searches that you want on Chat GPT easily. This is how you can easily change language on Chat GPT. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.